God thought that you were worth it. The blood of Jesus is the price that he paid, and the price that God paid always determines the value of you. If the value of something is determined by the price that was paid, and the blood of Jesus was shed for you, and God thought that highly of each individual that God shed his own son's blood, and the value system of heaven is the price that was paid, how much more valuable are you than you think? Well, I'm worthless, I've only done this. No, see, sometimes we think that we reap what we've sowed in our life, but the truth is that when you come to Christ and you see the finished work, you reap what God sowed. I know that sounds weird for people, but it's true. God sowed his son. Jesus said, unless a seed dies, goes into the ground, it remains alone. But if that seed dies and goes into the ground, and you're supposed to be the fruit of what he sowed. Come on, man. It's liberating, it's freeing. I couldn't go on if I didn't believe this truth.